Did you know that our bodies consist of about 60% water? This is why it's very important to drink plenty of water. Drinking enough water will help you boost blood circulation with many other benefits. This is where pineapple comes in. If you can add flavor to your water, why not let it be pineapple, which has numerous health benefits. Pineapple water will keep you well hydrated, and is also a very good natural drink that will help you with weight loss, and get rid of joint pain. The reason why pineapples are good for you is that they contain bromelain, the ingredient which helps speed up the healing process and relieves pain in the joints. Bromelain and iodine content will prevent various autoimmune disorders, and relieve thyroid disorders. Did you know that pineapples are high in fiber? So when consumed it gives you a feeling of satiety and prevents sugar and fat cravings. Pineapples are also rich in potassium, which will strengthen the body. Pineapples also help get rid of tapeworms and help flush out parasites from the liver. Pineapple juice will also help in removing inflammation in the colon and can relieve the symptoms of asthma. You can add fennel seeds if you like, which will enrich the flavor and will soothe the digestion system. Half cup pineapple chunks. 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. 8 cups hot water. Add the pineapple chunks to a pitcher filled with hot water. Leave the drink to cool at room temperature, and then add in the fennel seeds. Leave to soak overnight, and in the morning, strain it. Drink this beneficial beverage on a daily basis, and you will reap all the health benefits offered by this delicious fruit. Enjoy!